Welcome to Pathfinders Trainings. I am Yogeshwar Vashisht. Welcome to Pathfinders Trainings. And the market will open almost flat, and there was a crash on Friday. Friday was a crash day, and I hope all of you made good money. I booked a profit of 79,907 rupees, and at this moment, I'm only running some options trades. That's all I am running, some option strategies. And I would like to see where the market goes from here because 17,000 is a strong level. So from here, it has an equal chance of jumping up. And if it breaks the level, then the lower levels are about 15,900 on the lower side. And when the market goes down 500 rupees in a single day, then of course you can now 16,000 doesn't look very far away. When the market was at 18,700, 16,000 looked very far away. Not anymore. Now with the new corona virus coming and the now I haven't seen the corona tracker for a long time, but I think it's high time we start looking at it again. Hmm? Like if I check out here the corona tracker here. So in USA, India, Brazil, UK, Russia, Turkey, France, Iran, Germany. I'm just seeing what are the per day cases coming here. And here, daily confirmed cases in US are 1,47,000. Every time I have to go to US, these guys, there is a conspiracy going on against me going to US. मैं अपना टिकट 2 बार एक्सटेंड करा चुका हूँ भगवान जाने मुझे US the cases have increased 1,47,000 cases per day. Then India from 10,000 it has increased to 24,000 cases per day. Brazil is 1 lakh cases per day. United Kingdom 1,48,000 cases per day. Russia 65,000 cases per day. Turkey 1 lakh cases per day. France 1,16,000 cases per day. Iran 71,000 cases per day. Germany 68,000 cases per day. Not a good sign. We thought Corona is finished, but looks like it is making a re-entry. And it will, be having another repercussion in the market. So multiple factors now responsible for this. Multiple factors responsible. So we need to see the volatility of the market, how the volatility is on here. And I would like to see the market in the start. Where is it? I have taken out most of my money from the stock market. On Friday, we bought some stocks for the portfolio. We started our portfolio building on Friday, 17,000. That was the level we had decided around which we'll start our portfolio building again. So we bought about 10% for the portfolio. The deeper targets for the market look to be about 14,500. Nearby targets are about 16,000. As I said, 16,000 might come in this year itself. And the way the market is falling, it might actually. So make sure you're hedged or sitting on cash or having a future and taking your short trades. Today we have all the sessions. Today a session now going on. Then 12 o'clock we have the swing trading. And then 2:30 we have the advanced options session that we will have. Let me check TCS here. So TCS, if I see, it's more or less. Look at TCS. TCS is coming in a buy zone now. Coming in a buy zone, to open a flat. So this is one opportunity for long that I'm seeing, with a gap filling at 3,800. But if it doesn't sustain this level, you can see it down to about 3,200 levels. Ganesh Kumar says NSE option chain ID is not getting updated in NSE website. Well, use a Trade Tiger, can't do anything about it. Okay, market is open. Let's see what the market is doing. As expected, it has started going into the negative territory now. What we are looking at, minus 15, minus 20, minus 30, minus 35. So now the 17,000 is acting as a support on the upward side. It is acting as a support on the upward side now. And let's keep an eye on the VIX today. See here, this is the VIX, and VIX is at 21. So what was the level of VIX I said where we can start buying? Anybody remembers? I gave a figure that when it comes here, we can start buying 30 exactly. And at that time, it was at about 14. From 14, it has already come down to 22 now almost. And you see it's just selling. There's panic in the market now. Now everybody thinks now trying to get out. So the retail is now panicking. So, and the FIIs are still continuously selling. उनका selling जारी है. उन्होंने on 26 November, they sold 5,785 crores. That is 31,000 crores they have sold. इतना तो इन्होंने कोविड जब आया था तब भी नहीं बेचा था. जब 2008 का क्रैश हुआ था तब भी इतना नहीं बेचा. Now, what is the silver lining now? Can anybody tell what is the silver lining here in this? There is a silver lining here which is making me very happy. The silver lining is that despite such big selling by FIIs, the market has not crashed. ये crash नहीं है, ये correction. So that is the good news, that despite such heavy selling that has happened by the and 159, 169, so that is just, so the market is not even giving time to react. But then now 16,867 is a level you should be looking at. All the portfolio builders, part of investors club guys, keep in mind, the moment you see 16,500, you have to buy again. We'll buy more at 16,500. Keep your money ready. अपना पैसा ready रखो. 16,500 पे हम और खरीदेंगे. So our levels are, we started buying at 16,000, 17,000, 16,500 till 16,000. We will continue to buy. So this is 161, 166. So a lot of selling coming. Now this is an ideal time for a short cover. So now let's start derivative nifty near a call option of, let's say, I check out a call option right now of 16,500. That would be a pretty decent call option to look for. So if I check out here, so I'll start accumulating now the 16,500 call option. 16,500 ka Call option I'll start buying from here now. So थोड़ा सा और वेट करता हूँ, थोड़ा और गिरने देता हूँ इसको. This is the market. Market didn't give us any time to react. इससे पहले कि हम सोचते वो क्या करेगा, मार्केट नीचे चला गया. When everybody is afraid, you buy. When everybody is greedy, you sell. This is what Warren Buffett says. ये वॉरेन बफेट अंकल ने बोला है कि जब सब लोग डरे हुए हों और आप शादीशुदा हैं तो आपको तो डरना ही है. वॉरेन बफेट गए कोने में, बराबर. लेकिन स्टॉक मार्केट 221, 222, माय गॉड. Now I buy my first 16,500. पहला खरीद रहा हूं. I'm buying 16,500 call option. I bought one. एक और दिमाग में है मेरे, पर यहां से शुरू करता हूं. 32,000 का I bought a call option of 16,500. I'll just write it down here. Oversold market. Intraday. I have bought 16,500 call option at 637. Stop loss 500 and will buy one more at 575. At 575. So this is the plan I have today. Okay, so I bought a put option and 6. I have no doubt it will go there now. So I'll still wait a little for this. 620. Market down to 28 points. I'll buy one more at 600. 600 pe I'll buy one more. Okay, so I put a limit order at 600 and market just 800 points from the 1600. This correction was due. This is not a crash, this is a correction. When the till 20% is a normal correction. 20%, 25% तक normal correction माना जाता है. So 18,500. So till where is a normal correction? 18,500 into 0.75. Till the time you are at 13,875, it will be considered as a normal correction. So normal correction will take the market. जैसे 14,500 का लेवल है, तो वो कि क्रैश नहीं हो रहा है, वो नॉर्मल करेक्शन है मार्केट का, कि इतना करेक्शन मार्केट लेने ही वाली है. दिस इज the normal correction it is going to take. I think more or less market stabilizing here. I don't think I'll wait for my modify. Yeah, I've taken my full positions now in this with the stop loss at, where's my stop loss? 500 rupees. Stop loss at 500 rupees I have. 667, so 490, 500. So I put a stop loss at 500 rupees on this. Right now I'm making a 2,800 rupees. And I still have some more money the way it is moving up now. Okay. 675. And I think I'll pick up TCS. Buy script, big trade. I'm picking up 100 TCS, guys. 100 TCS I have picked up. Okay, so I have bought 100 TCS at 3429. Stop loss 3395. 3395. That's my stop loss in this. 3395. And pick up one more. Okay. That's what we are looking at, buying opportunity. One stock I was checking out, little oversold, is Cochin Shipyard. So let me pick up. Yeah, I'm buying Cochin Shipyard for intraday. Buy script 500. I don't know if it is in big trade. 100 Cochin Shipyard I have bought, guys. Buy 100 more Cochin Shipyard. Okay, so what? Bought Cochin Shipyard at 342. Stop loss 335. 335. Okay, so my option is now giving me 4,293 rupees. And let's keep an eye on the Nifty now. This is the index. And what I'll do, since market is still very bearish and this is more of a short covering that I am seeing. So chart, load chart template, ring को पकड़ लेते हैं. What form of trading are we doing right now? इस trading को क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, what form of trading are we practicing? It's called guerrilla trading. इसको बोलते हैं गुरिल्ला ट्रेडिंग. और ये अभी यहाँ I am getting out at 6 270. Okay. I'm putting my stop loss at 680. मैं उल्टा कर रहा हूं, मैं अपने आप को guaranteed profit zone में लेके जा रहा हूं. Modify my stop loss is at 680. So 690 and 680. So I'm in the guaranteed profit zone now. Okay, wait. 670, 680. Okay, so I'm in the guaranteed profit zone now. मुझे लॉस नहीं हो सकता है अभी. रैंक को थोड़ा रिफ्रेश करते रहना पड़ेगा. Yeah, this is the Renko we are into. 965. Moving up further, 54. तो उसमें दिख रहा है मुझे ठीक से. सो एक बना और so I am now okay, and I'm very clear. Get ready to exit. Get ready to exit. Call option. Trail. Stop loss 2. अभी इसका स्टॉप लॉस कहाँ हो गया? 710 to 710. यही पकड़ लेते हैं ना डायरेक्टली. टू 710 to 710. Trail stop loss to 710. Okay, और अभी so that's my stop loss now. I'm taking it 710 now. 710. Says 700 and I'll make it 715 now. Gap filling हो गया है and 705, 715. So I have I've locked almost everything. Now I am making currently 8,300 rupees in this option. But I have trailed it to a very tight 715. How many of you are in this trade with me? कितने लोग इस ट्रेड में मेरे साथ हैं? 720. So now I can go further up. 2 bricks here. 740. So now modify 730 and 740. Place and confirm. अभी यहाँ आगे we are at 747 पर I'll not do 47, I'll do 45. So modify 735, 745, place and confirm. Okay, so now more or less looks like your move will fizzle out soon, but we have nothing to worry since we are already making a decent profit of 10,000 rupees here on a capital of, and my profit is booked. I booked a profit of 9,953 rupees, guys. 9, get out. Get out. So, how many of you enjoyed this trade? Book here also. Book your TCS also. Book your Cochin shipyard also. सब बुक कर लो. बाहर निकलो. Okay. book all your logs. Book all your logs. कितने लोगों को मजा आया ट्रेडिंग में? I mean, if you enjoyed this trading, pure intraday. This is pure intraday. Shaiju says in 30 minutes I made 8K. Yeah. समीर बोलता है अब दिन भर आराम. Arvind said yes sir, enjoyed. पर ये वाला ट्रेड टेक्निकल से नहीं आ सकता है, ये वाला ट्रेड एक्सपीरियंस से आ सकता है. टेक्निकल से नहीं आएगा, एक्सपीरियंस से आएगा ये वाला ट्रेड. So let's see what did we earn on this. We entered the trade. Let's take it off. What was our entry point in the trade? Let's see. Yes. It was almost a picture perfect trade. Our entry was somewhere around this level, around 630 we entered, and our stop loss was way back at 500 rupees, way below this. Okay. And our exit, we got out at about 745. 745 we got out here. And the duration of the trade, now let's see here, let's make a, okay, let's take from here, almost, if I pick up here, see here, so we bought at 625, we got 135 rupees move, we sold at about 745, which was, it was a very nice. So कितने मिनट का ट्रेड था? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13-minute trade. Just a 13-minute trade. And make sure you cancel all your pending orders. वो ध्यान रखिएगा, आपके pending orders cancel कर दीजिए, मुझे भी करने हैं. So thank you for reminding. So no pending orders here. यहाँ पे भी आप अपने pending orders cancel कर दीजिए. So cancel it here also. And you see the market after becoming positive is down back to this one here. And now you can easily say, well, this is not going to go up from here now. And you can take your options, you can take your put option if you want, but I booked 9,900. I will prefer to wait a little on this. I'll prefer to wait a little on this. TCS still going strong. So TCS is going strong. If you see. So if somebody wants to continue with TCS, they can do that. TCS doing absolutely fine, and wait for the market to stabilize now a little. Rajesh says what to do. Samir say while exiting the call option, we also 17,600 put. Not right now. थोड़ा आराम करो. चाय वाय पियो, अपना थोड़ा आसपास बोस्ट करो, आपकी वाइफ को बताओ देखो मैंने कैसे पैसा बनाया, देखो तुम, आसपास अपने दो कुलीग्स को जलाओ. बराबर है ना? वो भी खुशी का पार्ट है ना. तो फील लाइक ए सुपरमैन फॉर सम टाइम. और राजेश गुप्ता बोलते मेरी तो वाइफ ही नहीं है, मैं किसको जलाऊं. Arvind says guerrilla trading same as scalping. No, scalping is different, guerrilla trading is different. I mean, say true, sir. Trading with you is fun. Yeah, this was very simple trading where we understood this. This was pure psychology of trading. This was pure psychology of trading. And this Sunday was fun. Saturday, I was addressing 500 road tractors, you know, and it was a very interesting one. You know, I was invited in the morning at 10 o'clock as one of the speakers. 500 young Rotary boys and girls aged 18 to 28, and then there were a lot of speakers, and I had the last spot. And they were running late. The inauguration was to be in the end. The program had to be closed by the mayor of Thane. So and everybody, there were a lot of people selling mutual funds and cryptocurrencies. It was a young crowd. So I was wondering what will I do. So when it was around my time was around 11:30, and I got the mic at 1:20 in my hand. And the organizer said, "Sir, the mayor, sir, is going to come any minute. So I'm very sorry for that you are given it so late. So, but the moment the mayor comes, we have to close it. So you have a 45-minute slot, but we don't know how much we can give you." So I said, well, that means that in this hungry crowd of 500 people, hungry boys and girls, I have no idea whether I will get 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. Well, sorry, sir, that is the case. The moment the mayor will come, we will give you a signal and then you will have to close. So, with this context, that was amazing one. Let me take you to मैं trade नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी. I'm taking you to this presentation of mine. मुझे बहुत मजा आया because it was a fun presentation. Didn't use anything there. Mathematical form of aliens. See here, this one now. So this is. Everybody, you are hungry. Exactly. Because life is always good when it starts from the facts. And you are having lectures from morning, and the brain has stopped working. And let's see where the market is volatile. So around अभी इधर ही रहेगा, किधर जाएगा नहीं. Vikas says, I like your Josh, sir. Okay, no, I like to teach. I could have become a good motivational speaker, but I like stock market more. Okay, so Infosys going down. Infosys से नहीं निकलना चाहिए था. ये तो जा रही है. And I've identified Infosys long, both in my swing and my intraday, and it's doing fine. Infosys is one stock that is a nice long every day today. So now this would be a good time. Now would be a good time probably to start looking for a good options trade. अभी आप एक अच्छा options trade देख सकते हैं. You can go for it, but I would suggest maybe about 10-15 or so. So check out the various sectors that are right now working on this. And we still have some buying coming here. See here, this was the move that we caught. ये वाला move हमने catch किया. Patient. So what did I patiently wait for? मैंने किस चीज के लिए patiently wait किया? I patiently waited for the ATR to be finished. Technical ध्यान में होना चाहिए. क्या किया? Patiently waited for the ATR to be finished. That is what I patiently waited for. The moment the ATR was finished, 200 to 15 points की ATR है. Short covering का अच्छा chance था, and that's when we entered the market. And now short covering is finished. थोड़ा बहुत सरप्राइज रहेगा. Let's go out and check. I'll close the session at about 10:10. I have a meeting with my chartered accountant, guys. 10:10 पे खत्म कर दूंगा. वैसे भी ट्रेडिंग नहीं करनी है अभी आज. My month is going damn good. So here I have, booked good profit of about 9953. So I'll keep this. And I would like to finish my month. मेरा एक वो टॉप बेस्ट मंथ बनाना है मुझे, तो I'll try to see if वो बना कि नहीं बना. So today is already 29th. So 29 November and Nifty call 16,500. I made a small profit. बहुत दिनों बाद small profit आया. Small profit is this one. नहीं, small नहीं है, बड़ा ही आया, क्योंकि उधर भी है ना. So medium profit. Anything more than, how do I classify my profits here? 11,000 to 20,000 is medium profit. ये medium नहीं है, large. Okay, this was large profit. And today I have 9953 plus 1909. 9953 plus 1909. 11,862. It is 11,862. And trading 3, my month so far is November has become 8,72,801. 8,72,801. So which is a 58.2 new record. New record. Last in March 20 was 57%. Okay, guys, I've broken my own record. On a capital of 15 lakh rupees, I have booked a profit of 8,72,000 rupees this month, creating a 58.2% returns, guys. So you only have competition with one person. आपका competition सिर्फ एक आदमी से. कौन है वो आदमी? Yeah, with whom do I have a competition? With yourself. जिंदगी में से खुद से compete करना, बाकी किसी से मत करना. The only way to grow is to be in continuous competition with the person who was alive yesterday. And you will go places in your life. Yeah, a lot of milestones to come. So thank you very much. All the best and see you next week.